Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos with roti. First, you'll need some fresh or frozen roti. We'll cut these into triangles and bake them until they are perfectly crisp. This method creates a fantastic base for your nachos, offering a delightful texture that's different from traditional tortilla chips. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying way to enjoy a classic snack with an exciting twist. To prepare your roti chips, start by cutting each roti into 8 to 12 triangular pieces, similar to pizza slices. Next, lightly brush both sides of these triangles with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or your preferred cooking oil. Arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Now it's time to assemble your nachos. On a baking sheet, spread out half of your crispy roti chips. Evenly distribute half of your favorite nacho toppings over the chips, followed by about 1 cup of shredded cheese. Repeat this layering process with the remaining chips, toppings, and cheese. Bake the assembled nachos in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and perfectly melted. Once your nachos are out of the oven, it's time for the finishing touches. Garnish them with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos, a dollop of sour cream, or any other fresh toppings you love. Serve them immediately to enjoy the perfect combination of crispy roti, melted cheese, and savory toppings. This unique take on nachos is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.